Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling proof and contacts. Get the original receipt that shows the device serial or IMEI and confirm the Apple ID email if you can. Once done, power the phone and copy the model and serial number. That saves time with support. If you bought the phone used, contact the seller and ask them to remove activation lock from their iCloud account. These factual first steps prevent wasted troubleshooting and prove ownership to Apple. Next, engage official support. Sign in with the Apple ID that originally activated the device. If you can't, start an Apple support case and choose Activation Lock Help. Explain the situation and submit the purchase receipt and serial/IMEI. Apple verifies ownership before removing the lock. Make an in-store appointment at an Apple store or authorized provider if requested. This formal route is the legitimate path. It's how Apple confirms who owns the device and removes protections lawfully. Finally, follow Apple's specific instructions to complete the removal and verify the device is unlocked. Once Apple confirms, you can sign in with your Apple ID, erase the device if needed, and finish setup. If Apple cannot remove the lock, request escalation and recheck that your receipt serial/IMEI exactly matches the device. If you purchased used, ask the seller to remove the device from their iCloud directly. Troubleshooting tip: mismatched serials or missing receipts are the most common blockers. Fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.